You won't believe what happens next. This gave me chills instantly. Is this even real? Wait for it. This wasn't a normal storm. It tripped through that fuel pump like it was made of paper. You have got to believe how wild nature gets. Out of nowhere, a massive snowstorm hit while the car was moving, forcing the driver to pull over within seconds. Everything turned white. This was absolutely terrifying to watch. This tornado is an absolute monster, ripping through everything in its path: trees, rooftops, even walls are flying like paper. This is pure destruction. This plane was bravely fighting a whited fire, dropping water over the burning forest in just moments. Later it crashed, truly heartbreaking to witness. Imagine standing in an open field and seeing this an enormous tornado spinning from the sky down to the ground. This is nature at its most terrifying. A massive dolphin, like a creature, spotted on the beach. But is it really a dolphin? No one's sure yet.